How to link GitHub account with Upwork. Hi guys, in this video you would learn how you can link GitHub account with Upwork. So if this is your question, sit through and watch this video till the end. The first step is to log in into your Upwork account, just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, this is how the page looks like. Alright, and then once you're on this page and you can see all of the tabs displayed, move to the top right corner of the screen and then click on your profile icon. Once you click on your profile icon, in the box displayed, select settings. After selecting settings, you'll be taken to the settings page automatically. Now once you're on this page, by the left side of the screen, you'll see a menu, right? Now, once you've seen this menu, the next step is to scroll down until you can see Connected Services. Connected Services is an option that is located below My Themes. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be taken to this page where you'll see Sign in with Google. Then go back and then click on Profile Settings, alright? Now, as you click on Profile Settings, you will take it to your Profile Settings page where you'll see Visibility, Project Preference, Earnings, categories, profile. Then you can see linked account. So then select GitHub. After selecting GitHub, another window will pop up in the middle of your screen where you'll be asked to sign into GitHub to continue to Upwork. So the next step is to type in your email address or the username you use to register with GitHub. Type it out as well as your password. Click on sign in, and then just like that, your Upwork will be linked, or your GitHub account will be linked with Upwork. I hope this tutorial is straightforward. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.